So good afternoon all. I think we should start. So last time I think when we have started, we have started with basic shell scripts, very basics, just input and output and some calculations. And we have already discussed that. It is nothing but the programs, but which directly communicates with the shell. And we already discussed, well, the shell scripts are mainly used. So now today we'll see some conditional statements, and we'll start with if. And in C language, I think you all are aware that. Can anyone tell me why we were using C, if in the C? For condition checking, okay. But what if true and what if false? If true, executes line inside it, and if yes, if false, then it will skip it, right? So, and can anyone tell me what are the various flavors of if? One is if then, if else then, else if else if, else if else if, means if else order, if else ladder, right? Yes, nested if, very good. So the same things are available in shell script, Unix shell script, and you can say the syntax will get changed, but the rest will be same, right? So just a minute. So just logic will remain same, but syntax will get changed. So in today's 1 hour, as I have told you that now lab will be of 1 hour, I will give you demonstration of each, one program, one simple program, and then you can try a couple of programs by your own. The all programs which you have, you can say, made in the C, you can make here, right? So let's start with some simple programs. Not program, but I should say, sorry, scripts. I think it is not visible then. Right. So let's start with. We'll enter the two numbers, for example, and we'll see which number is bigger and one is smaller. Which one is smaller and which one is bigger, right? So just echo enter first number right? We'll enter the number and we'll enter second number. We'll enter second number, right? Now we'll see the condition. This is syntax wise, you need to be little bit careful, right? If in C language you are using small brackets, but here you need to use square bracket. This one, and one very important thing, otherwise you will get error. You after the bracket start, you need to leave a space like this. Then only your program will run. Otherwise, it will give you error. Right. So space if. In the last session we have seen for the value we should use $A. That means value of A. Now here you cannot use the signs like greater than and less than and all. You need to write dash GT. GT means greater than. Like that, LT means less than, EQ means equal to, NE is equal to, not equal to, something. We'll use all this. If value of A is greater than value of B, space. Don't forget to leave the space. Here, you need to write then also. Then, if, then echo, either you can display the value or you can display the message like first number is greater or bigger. Then else echo second number is greater. Else second number is greater. Then you need to close the if by reverse of if, means if reverse is fi. That means this is reverse of if. If then fi. So this is the program. Let's run this. Enter the first number, for example 10, second number 20. So second number is greater, right? Enter the first number, for example 20, and second number which I am entering 10, then first number is greater. Very simple. Very simple. Now second simple program, for example, write a program which you can say check the number whether it is positive, negative or 0. Positive, negative or 0. So let's do that program. So we have entered the number, right? We have entered the first number. Then if space square bracket space if value of A is EQ means equal to 0 space. If value of A is equal to 0, then echo number is 0. Now in C you are writing else space if. Here you need to write ELIF. Elif means else if. Else if square bracket value of space, value of A is less than means LT, less than 0, space, value of A is less than 0, then you need to write then also, then echo number is negative, right? Say else echo number is positive, Fi. That means if is over. Right? Let's run this. Enter the number. For example, 10. Number is positive, right? For example, -5. Number is negative. Or let me enter 0. Number is 0. Very simple, right? So this is nested if. Same way you can have if inside if. Sorry, this is else if ladder. Same way you can have else. If inside if. And you can also use the conditional operators that we were using in the C, like and or. Let's see. Now let's do a program which check for which finds, for example, maximum number from 3 number, right? Which is biggest number out of the 3 number, that program, right? So let write number 1, right? Read number 1 echo enter second number, read number 2 echo enter third number, read number 3, right? Now our if space bracket space if value of number 1 space is greater than, now logic you are knowing, right? Value of number 2 space, and you need to use double ampersand operation, which is AND operation, right? And for OR, double, this is for OR, right? So AND space value of number 1 is also greater than value of number 3 space. What the point? So number 1 is greater than number 2 and number 1 is also greater than number 3. That means number 1 is bigger, right? Then echo first number is better or bigger. લેબ હાલે 4 વાગ્યા સુધી. લેબ છે મારે 4 વાગ્યા સુધી. હા. Then EL if same thing you can write, right? If value of number 2 is greater than value of number 1 space, and if value of number 2 is greater than value of number 3. Space. So then echo second number, or directly let me write the message echo dollar number 1 echo dollar number 2, right? Else, if number 1 is not greater, number 2 is not greater, then the third option is echo number 3, right? Simple. Fi. End of the program. Let's run it. So I am entering 1, 2, 3. So 3 is typed, oh sorry, printed. So 3 is bigger. Then let me enter a different program. Let me run this. Whatever you enter, it will print the number. So I hope it is very simple. Anyone is having any query? Any query? No, it's very easy, right? So now you try by yourself. I think first program you do like find or check if number is odd or even. First you this, check year is leap year or not. Second program you do this, and third program you make a result. In result, enter marks of 5 subjects and calculate percentage. If percentage is greater than 66, then student got distinction. Between 60 to 60, between 60 to 66, first class. 50 to 60, second class. 40 to 50, pass class. And less than 40, fail. Right? You make this 3-cell script, and if you are having any query, any doubt, then ask me. Okay? 3 script, you are having time till 3. So 3 script you execute, and once it is done, just let me know.